root 248 plus under this root again root 52 plus under root 144. So we are trying to solve this one step by step. First, it's a big root 248. Under this root, here is a root 52. It will be unchanged. Plus, against root 144, it's a perfect square. And in this case, we will get 12. Right? So here is a 12. So first root has gone. Next, root 248 plus under this root we can write 52 plus 12. It will be what? Here is a 4 and 5 plus 1 is a 6. So it's a root 64. Now root 248 plus 64 is a perfect square, so we will get 8. Now here is 248 plus 8, it will be 256. Now we are trying to find out, is it 256 perfect square or not? Suppose you have no calculator. Two ways you can find out is it perfect square or not. First one is division method. Like here is a 256 and we can make this one is a pair, like 5 6 is a pair and 2 is alone, so we cannot do anything. So what is the nearest perfect square of 2? Which is 1, right? So 1 times 1, it will be 1. 2 minus 1, here is a 1. Now we can use this pair, which is 56. Now 1 will become double. It means 1 times 2 is a 2. So in here we have to put a number which once we multiply whole numbers, it will become 156 or near. So what we can put in here? Suppose we can put 6. So 6 times 6 is a 36. So here is a 6, carry 3. 6 times 2, it will be 12. So 12 plus 3, it will be 15. So here is a 1 5. So once we subtract, here is a 0. So we put in here 6. So 256 is a perfect square where our result is 16. And what is the another way we can find out 256? First we can divide by 2. So here is a 128. Again we can divide by 2. So here is what? 64. Now it's a very simple. So 64, it will be 8 and 8. So from here we can take one 8, and from these 2 and 2 we can take one another 2. So 2 times 8, it will be 16, and this result is 16. So this is very important math based on Algebra 2 or set math competition or any kinds of competitive exam in the world. You can follow this one. So this is very important math. Don't neglect these kinds of nested radical expression. So thank you very much for being with me. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.